If you're tired of finding the right video for hours every time you get horny, or if you're tired of not having any female interaction at all, or just want to get laid, then this video is for you. So there are two steps to it. The first one is you have to stop watching porn every time you get hard, because you're literally commanding your brain to stay a virgin every time you do so. If you want to know how, then you should watch this video where I explained how, and once you watch it, you will literally get the answer to why you're still a lone virgin or just have no female friends whatsoever. And it's not just about being a virgin, because some people actually choose to be one, and it's totally fine. The one thing which is not fine is not having any kind of female interaction at all. Now the second and the most important step of all is to scroll down, click on the link to join the community, and then attempt the asking out challenge. If you don't know what to say when you see an attractable, then there's nothing to worry about. I've also attached a video and a script which literally says what you need to say when you come across an attractive girl. Like, I've made it so easy. All you have to do is follow the script, and it's difficult to mess it up. Like, even if you try to, like, you can't go wrong. Even if you were trying to go wrong, you just can't. So now take action, like right away. Scroll down and join the community, and just attempt the asking out challenge right away. Watch this clip if you don't know how to ask out a girl, and then ask out a girl within 24 hours of watching this video. And I want to know how it goes. And also the community will soon be paid, and this is like one of the best moments to join the community right away and claim your free spot. Go right away, watch the video, go over the script and ask the girl out. I really want to know how it goes. So just go and do it right away. You have 24 hours to do it. And tell me how it goes. Tell me in the community itself. I've also assigned a chat specifically for this challenge. So tell me how it goes, and I'll see you guys inside the community. Do it. I know you can't do it. Peace.